What's up people, welcome to another video on this channel, and today I'm going to show you an unboxing and give you an overview of one of the most popular gaming controllers under 1500 rupees. This is the Cosmic Byte Callisto wireless gaming controller with LED lighting effects and dual vibration motors, and it only costs 1200 rupees on Amazon. So first let me show you its unboxing. This is the box it comes in. Just a plain cardboard box with some features written. So here it gives a pic of the controller and the name. Here on this side it says that it supports X input as well as direct input and comes with a 1 meter charging cable. Over here it says that it has a 380 mAh battery and 8 meters range and vibration and turbo functions as well. Here it shows all the buttons on this controller, and over here it mentions some other details including the price, which you can read by pausing this video. Alright, now let's open the box and take out the gamepad. It comes without any sort of a seal or tape, so you can just open the box like this. And here it is. Let me keep the controller aside for a moment and see what else comes in the box. So here is the wireless dongle, which I think is way too long. I mean, most wireless accessories come with very tiny dongles these days, but this one is just way too big, which is a very inconvenient thing if you are planning to use this controller with your phone or with your laptop on the go. It also comes with this charging cable. It is quite thin and seems of a very basic quality, but this is what comes with most controllers in this price range, so you can't complain. It also has this paper in the box which lists the technical specs of the controller and some other functions like how to set the macros and all, and you can read this by pausing the video. Some more information on this side as well. Now let me show you the main product. This is the controller and it has a decent weight. It doesn't feel too light and not too heavy either. It has this textured portion on both sides for better grip, this white crescent shape at the front, and the Cosmic Byte logo over here. It has a standard Xbox 360 controller layout. I personally prefer the PlayStation controller design rather than the Xbox one, but it is also not bad and works just fine. One thing that immediately caught my attention here is these super thin LT and RT buttons. This is just odd. I like the triggers to be a bit broad so that the fingers can rest easily on them. This is just a poor design choice. If we talk about comfort, I must say it is not too bad. It's quite easy to hold and grip, and the fingers rest quite naturally on all the right spots. Now what makes this controller unique and better in this price range is the inclusion of these two macro buttons here at the back. I'll tell you more about these two macro buttons in the detailed review of this controller, so stay tuned for that. However, you cannot use these macros in all games, and I will tell you why that is in the detailed comprehensive review as well. For now, let me show you how this works. So I have connected the dongle to my controller and let's turn on the controller. Here it is. You can see that this controller comes with this nice illumination, which can be useful if you are playing games in the dark and are not too used to a controller. For those who are used to a controller, this light is of no use other than providing some fanciness, because once you are used to a controller, you don't have to look at the buttons at all. Well, this was just a small overview of the controller. I have been using this controller for over a month now and will be posting a detailed comprehensive review with all its pros and cons very shortly, so do keep an eye for that. You will be notified of that video if you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, so do so as well. For now, this was pretty much it for this small unboxing and overview of this Cosmic Byte controller. Like this video, share it, comment whatever you want, and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and stay safe.